So welcome to Stanley Studios. Today on Tech and Finance, I'm talking about the virtual card. I spoke about the importance of virtual card last week, and then today I'm going to do a demonstrational video teaching you how to get a virtual card. It's important that you sign up to the right platform in order to get a good virtual card. And so this virtual card that I am presenting to you, you've heard me talk about this platform on my YouTube channel for a long time. And so I'm talking about Accrue. Accrue has been one of the platforms that I use a lot. There are a lot of benefits in Accrue that I've been enjoying from it. And so with the virtual card, you have Accrue giving you a virtual card, and then it doesn't only give you just a virtual card, it gives you $1 virtual card. $1 virtual card. Yes, I said it. Dollar virtual card. And so if you want to save in dollars, you can get the Accrue dollar virtual card, which can be used on any platform. It can be used on your Netflix, on your Amazon, on a lot of platforms. Okay, so with the Accrue virtual card, you have the ability or the access to use a special address. The card is not a Ghanaian card, it is a US card. So you get the address of a US address on that card. The details of their card is US. Okay, so let me take you through the process. And so you need to open the Accrue app. Okay, if you should be signed up on the Accrue by now. I've spoken about Accrue for a long time, so you should be on the app by now. You should have signed up. Okay, and so you just go to your phone, just look for the Accrue app. This is the Accrue app. You open it. I was already there on the card section, so you just go. This is my account. This is my account. I am already logged in. When you are logged in, you see it says Hi Stanley, and so we have home, cards, save, invest, explore. We have receive money, send money, and these are exciting parts where I will one day talk about the Hi Stanley section. There's a cash ramp section. I'll talk about that one day. And then, so let's focus on what we are talking about today. We are talking about what the dollar virtual card on the Accrue platform. And so you go to the card section, you see that they've written cards, boundless spending plus new card, Accrue virtual card. It says that Accrue card, use your Accrue card for all online shopping, subscription services, and anywhere else debit cards are accepted. And so it says that the creation fee, funding fee, monthly maintenance fee. So in all, you use $5 to create this virtual card. And so you just tap on get your card. It says that verify your identity. I have verified it already. About you, I've done that already. So I just begin to enter the, it says that what would you like to call your card? So you can call it maybe Stanley. And then how much would you like to fund your card with? And so you want $100. It can be $100. It can be $1,000. It can be okay. So the minimum or the maximum you can go is the maximum you can fund in one go is $2,000. And so that is it. Maybe you have $10 you want to deposit in your your Accrue virtual card. And so there is a link here that tells you the supported sites on the Accrue platform. So when you click here, it takes you to the web space, and then it shows you the websites that you can use the Accrue cards. It says that Accrue cards supported sites. And so it says, are you tired of the exorbitant exchange rates? And no. Let's go down to the platform. So it says that you can use the Accrue card on AliExpress, TikTok, Facebook ads, App Store, Google Play Store, PlayStation Store, Microsoft Store, Z2U, Spotify, Amazon Video, YouTube Music, Uber, Bolt, DoorDash, Glovo, Amazon, eBay, World Education Service, Namecheap, GoDaddy, GitHub, Heroku, AWS, OpenAI, ChatGPT, Midjourney, Twitter, a lot of them. You can use this Accrue virtual card on a lot of platforms like this, even on Skrill. I spoke about Skrill, and I'll be posting a video very soon. I've done a video on Skrill and its importance. I'll be posting it very soon. And so Skrill, Global, Grammarly, FreePick, a lot of them. So what are you waiting for? Just enter, and then you request a card immediately. When you enter into the request your card, and then you verify your identity and you tell us a bit about yourself. You enter the name. What would you like to call your card? Stanley. And then how much would you like to fund your card with? I said $10. And then you just request the card, and then it will be created. It is instantly, okay? It will take a few minutes, or maybe 5 to 10 minutes, but then after that, you get your virtual card to use on all these platforms. So I'm very excited to share this knowledge with you, that you create your account, you create your Accrue account, and get your dollar virtual card. Let's go get it.